Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of medical technology and specifically, how 3D printing is transforming medicine. So picture this: you had a biopsy, and your doctor needs to figure out the best way to proceed with your treatment. In the past, they might have used a model made from Play-Doh or sugar, but guess what? Now they can use a 3D printed model of your body. This incredible technology takes data from a CT scan and brings it to life in a matter of hours. These models are not only lifelike but also show the exact tumor in question. And get this, they're even color-coded for added precision. The possibilities of this technology are endless. For example, surgeons can use these models to plan surgeries by drawing on them, while patients can actually hold their own bodies in their hands. This allows them to get a better understanding of their conditions and helps doctors make more informed decisions. And the best part, it's not just for humans, it's also used for training purposes. So there you have it, folks. 3D printing is truly revolutionizing medicine and opening up new horizons in healthcare. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this one. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.